Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Install0us 2.5. Now, the first thing that we want to do is go into Cydia. So once you're in Cydia, you want to go to Manage. Then you want to go to Sources. And here you want to add a source. So go to Edit, and then Add. The source that you want to add is Cydia dot Haculo.us. And I'll have all of these sources in the description. So after you add that, it should work and you should be able to have the Haculo repository. Now once you have that, you want to go into the repo and you want to install AppSync. If you're not on 3.1 or above, get the first one, or get 3.0. But if you are on 3.1 or above, get 3.1. It's not that complicated. And you also note that down here is Install0us. This is not the Install0us you want. This is 2.04. It's the old version. So you want to go back and okay, so now you want to add another source. So you go to Edit and then you go to Add. And the source you want to add is Cydia dot Install0us .com. And note that the O in Install0us is actually a 0. So after you add that source, it should give you access to the Install0us repo, which is right here, and you should be able to install it. So once you've done that and you have Install0us, go back to the home page, and now you want to go into Install0us. Alright, once you're in Install0us, you want to go to Settings. And once you're in Settings, you need to change the home URL. The default is just blank, so you need to put in what I have right here. It's http://appullo.us/appdb/. And after you've done that, you should be able to get on Appulo. And just note that this is for testing apps. Don't just go through and download as many apps as possible, because that really ruins the experience for everyone else when you're basically just hogging up the servers with apps that you probably will never use. And also, you are stealing, so just test it out and then give the money to the developers who've obviously earned it if you like that app so much. And yeah, this is it. Just search whatever app you want. For example, I'll search Pocket God. And it does take a little bit to load. Wow, sometimes you get this error. Just press home. This hasn't been out. Install0us 2.5 hasn't been out that long, so it's not the greatest. But yeah, go to search and go to Pocket God or any other app. And just remember that spelling and punctuation is really important when you're searching for an app. It really, like, there's been times where I didn't put in a comma or something and the app didn't show up. And not all apps are on the Appulous website. And if you want to be able to crack your own apps, you're going to have to get another application called PodCrack. And I'm not even going to go into that in this video. But yeah, here's Pocket God. Let's wait a second. And once you clicked on it, this should come up. Now this will basically just give you screenshots, information, basically the same stuff that you would see on the App Store. And the price is just the price it is on the App Store right now. So yeah, just scroll down, you'll see all the information. That's pretty much useless. What we want is down here is the downloads. Sometimes if you click on a wrong spot, it will just flip you back up. Alright, so yeah, these are basically all the places where these apps are hosted, like file sharing sites. So I usually click on the top one, but it doesn't really matter. And once you're here, it will ask you to give it a verification code to prove that you're not a bot or something. So we just put it in, and we wait a little bit. And there we go. On the bottom it says downloading Pocket God. Now we can go to downloads, and there it is. Also, you can download more than one app at a time. So just basically go back to home and do the same process over again. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. If you need any help, just either send me a message or comment, and I'll try to get back on it as soon as I can. I know that there's some issues, some errors, some bugs, so yeah, just try to contact me if that happens to you, and I'll help you to the best of my ability.